Coverage pun dibero, kijing petip nam tai kubor light kam. Tikidon ki post ki balai po PHE department po Ribohoi district. Dengan pulik rum kene ka advertisement. A work interview are invited from eligible candidate for filling up the following posts under PHE department in Ribohoi district purely on contractual basis for a period of 1 year. She's namo kade contractual basis. Teka tarik ban interview kade on 17 November 2022 from 11 a.m. onward at the office of the undersigned. Teha khanyo tarik phiaban lej ban rai ki comment jong phi kin shim direct ka interview. Te ki post ki balaj ki dei jong kidon gumbah pratli ai ma. Te qualification ka dei BSc but HSLC science ka step science. PHED district laboratory Nongpo division post tangawai qualification BSc te shibanai kin suye phi khatsan hajar. Te ka number ka post of lab multitasking assistant kan dei kau kadon tangawai pas class 12 science. Te ka pi ka dei khat hajar shibanai. Te baro ki digum juhi PhD subdivisional laboratory umroi ka dei lakajong-ajong te Nongpo division kan dei umroi kan dei patah khama kan dei umsning. Tikidon kumbah saus sau jaka hot pratli ki post markawai kawai baik ngamtai khatsan hajar shibanai bat khat hajar shibanai namta kelas 12 tekan mau bagne kidon kumbah sau tiki subdivision yakin phe tu sau nongpo umroi patakma ban umsning te only the eligible candidate should come for interview as per qualification mentioned above. Tang ki eligible mo mor ki badai BSc but ki badai class 12 science ki badai 12 arts ki digwe ki wat nom lej tang ki pass science ki la ban lej. The candidate should be accompanied by original copies of all testimonies. Di ban ra ki original copies rumo ra application form pendam submit ki xerox then ra lang bat ki original. Age limit as per rules and reservation of the state Meghalaya, note ED will be paid. Ai by late by one, phép tip himapi bakwa nam tai kini kam. Je tang kini ki jing pentip kulish one.